Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here doing a VoxBox review for you guys, which it's been a minute since I've gotten a VoxBox from Influenster. But if you guys don't know what Influencer VoxBoxes are, I will leave my playlist down below for you guys so you can take a look and see kind of how this process works. If you guys haven't signed up for Influencer yet, I highly recommend you do, because there is no better program out there that will send you free products for you to test out to build up not only your social media profile and presence online, but also to receive some really bomb products for free. So I am here today with my VoxBox for the Iconic VoxBox, and if you guys want to see what's inside here, then keep on watching. I don't even know what number VoxBox this is for me. I have received a ton from Influencer, and a lot of them have been specifically for one company or for one brand, and very seldom do I get like a hodgepodge of products inside, which I prefer those boxes only because, like, if you're specialized in one box, that's fine, but I love testing out several different kind of products all at once, which you guys would tell on the basis of this channel. But yeah, there's a ton of stuff in here. The Iconic VoxBox that we have here, and I have tested some of these products out, and some of them I haven't. I figured I would do like a first impressions type of thing. But there's a lot of good stuff in here, and there isn't really a theme, so to speak, because sometimes, like, with VoxBoxes, it'll either be a specific company, or it'll be like, this is the Rosy VoxBox, which was one I received last year, which actually kickstarted this channel. I don't even know where to begin. I guess the first thing we can start with is one of the things that I am currently testing right now, and these are the false lashes that I have on, and these are the Velour Short and Sweet Effortless Sans Effort eyelashes, and it also came with a free adhesive for the lashes. I usually don't wear false lashes every day, if ever. I am somebody who really only dignifies their lashes for special events, and I think it's because partly I've never found a basic everyday kind of lash that I like that doesn't look super dramatic. These I like because they're very light. You almost wouldn't even be able to tell that I had falsies on unless I told you. And I think they're cute. I think they're a little short compared to how I normally wear my lashes, where it's super apparent that I have false lashes on, but sometimes you need a change of pace. When it came to putting them on, they were super easy. I didn't have to trim them. I didn't have to measure. I didn't have to do anything. So very good for, again, an everyday type of lash. The glue itself I really liked, which is weird because, like, I'm somebody who has stuck to Revlon lash adhesive since I've started wearing false lashes. But I like this because it turns the bright blue when it is dry, so that way you know. On a first impression, I really do like these. Will I wear them every day? Probably not, only because, again, I'm not somebody who has the time to put on false lashes in the morning, but who knows. The next thing that we have in here is from Patchology, and this is the FlashPatch Wink and a Kiss 5-minute Hydrogels. And there are 2 packs of the under eye or eye patches and the lip patches. I haven't tested these out yet, but I've been really excited to find a perfect opportunity to test these. These to me seem like the ultimate, like, relaxation, treat yourself Sunday, like self-love Sunday routine. These are gonna be like perfect for before you're going out, before going to bed, just kind of really treating yourself. I haven't tested them out yet, but these are supposed to, the lip, the super smooth talker, is supposed to quickly moisturize and soften your pout. And then the Anytime Perk Me Up is supposed to fight puffiness, fatigue, dryness, and make sure that, you know, your face and your under eye area looks a little bit brighter. I might save one of each of these for either, like, when we go to New Hampshire for the wedding for like a little pick me up, or if I really want to just save it in general for when we go to Germany. I haven't decided, but if it works, then cool. The Hope perfume, this retails for, oh my god. So this retails for $115, which is super steep if you ask me, because I don't even spend that on like a Tory Burch perfume. But I have not tested this out. This is supposed to have a magic fusion of the most aromatic white flowers, including lily of the valley, jasmine, gardenia, and tuberose, the most pure and delicate essence that delight our senses. A secret ingredient adds a crisp layer, or as a lively layer of crisp freshness, which to me automatically sounds like apple. So we'll go ahead and squirt here. Oh boy, I'm scared. Gardenias are my favorite flowers, but I'm also like super scared of everything else I see here. Oh yeah, that's, so It is very florally, which we know is hit and miss with me on this channel. But, oh, that smells very grandma-ish, if that makes sense. What's cool about that perfume, though, is that it says, for the sale of each Hope product, 100% of net profit is donated to depression research, which is really a cool message behind that. If I don't like that perfume sample, that is definitely a company I can stand behind when it comes to donating 100% profit towards depression research, because that's such a, not to get on the soapbox here, but that is such a topic that we're all afraid to talk about. I personally have suffered through some depressional bouts, and you know, that's such a hopeless feeling, and you know, for a company to dedicate all proceeds to depression research, I think that's a really great MO. That's a great message. And you know, I would consider looking into a company like that. So that $115, that doesn't put a price tag on, you know, how important that is for the mental health stigma. Now we have 3 products here from the Go Smile company, and we have a professional clean luxury toothbrush, we have the teeth whitening gel, and then we also have a stain eraser here. I've tested these 2 things out together. The toothpaste I do like because it is very mild when it comes to the mint factor into it. Not that that is something that I'm looking for. I prefer something that's a little bit more mintier, but I do like it. However, I want to take a second to talk about this product here. When I'm talking back in like 2000s, when everybody, and I mean everybody, was on the Crest whitening strip bandwagon, and that godforsaken gel that would be on those stupid strips, and that iconic taste of like just, oh, it was the worst taste ever. But like, this is exactly that. And I don't want to turn you away from that, because this does seem to really work. Now granted, I have decently white teeth. I do try to whiten my teeth at least once a month using activated charcoal, and it's more to keep the whiteness, but using these 2 together has really helped. It's a twice-a-day system where you use equal part of toothpaste to teeth whitener gel, and I would say I've noticed a difference. I like how clean my teeth feel afterwards. My mouth feels really clean. I really haven't come across any issues in terms of like sensitivity, because that was a big thing for me when I was whitening my teeth when I was younger, was that I would just become really sensitive to products and things. And actually, I think that, you know, me whitening my teeth has really made my teeth stronger. But needless to say, I do like these 2 together. Am I gonna spend the money to buy a full size of this when I run out? Maybe, if I notice that much of a difference. This would be good if you know something is coming up, like if you have an event, like say a wedding to go to, or say, I don't know, like you have a reunion or you have something special coming up. I would definitely wait to save the money on that, because I'm not somebody who's going to use a teeth whitener system every single day, just because there's no need for me to do that. I take fairly good care of my teeth, active member of the No Cavity Club for 25 years, and I've never had that problem, but I do like these 2 together. And the other thing from the Go Smile collection are these little stain removers. And again, my teeth don't really have a lot of big stains that maybe I need to worry about, so I've been kind of saving this for a rainy day, maybe one of those evenings where you have a couple cups of coffee, or you have wine and like you have the red teeth, which is just an awful feeling, but I really don't drink as heavily as I used to, so I really haven't found a need for this. But it's kind of cool how it is literally a spot treatment for your teeth. So that's pretty neat. We also have here from Origins the Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to Clear Pores. I have tested this out already in one of my beauty subscriptions. I'll do some research to find out which one it is. But this just looks like that it's been repackaged, and I don't think reformulated, but it just looks like the packaging has been changed. Active charcoal does pull out a lot of things to the surface, such as impurities and whatnot. So I am cool that I got another sample of this. However, I still have plenty of sample from the first one I had. I will be sure to link whatever subscription box it was that I tested this out in. And then that way you guys can go check the review of this product, because again, I've already tested this, so there's no point in testing it again. And then the last thing we have in here is from St. Moriz, which is a wash-off tan. And I am somebody who does not use self-tanner. Done spray tans in the past, but for me, I would much rather go and UV tan, but that's not good for you either. But I haven't used this, obviously, it's still in its bag, but this is supposed to be a matte, streak-free instant tan that washes off at the end of the day. I'm really nervous to test this out because there is fewer things worse than a streaky self-tanner. And if anything, I would use this on my legs because the rest of my body is fairly tan. I tan twice a week, usually it's Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I go for about 8 minutes, and I use really some cheap janky tanning lotion I found at Walmart. And I only go twice a week to really just maintain my color. I feel significantly better if I tan, and I think that I look a little bit more attractive if I tan, but for whatever reason, I cannot get my legs to tan. It's like as if there is zero pigmentation in my legs. I would literally cover the rest of my body up, and besides from like the waist down, try to only focus on tanning that, they would still be albino white. I don't know what it is, like just my legs do not tan. So if anything, I would be using this on my legs. I remember being a kid, and I say kid, like when I was a teenager, I would use self-tanners, and I would always end up with orange palms or like streaks on my legs, and it always looked like shit. So I've been scared to self-tan ever since then. But I'm always down to try, especially if it's going to give me some sort of color in my legs, because your girl needs serious help. But yeah, that was everything that was inside this Iconic VoxBox. And I know that I've said in the past that VoxBoxes have been so hit and miss with me that either I really love them or I really hate them. This one, I'm a really big fan. I will be sure to do a full blog review for you guys of all the products inside, and you guys will be able to check that out over at the blog at Life with Sarah or at sarahlock.com, 2 H's, 2 K's, and I'll link all of my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. People ask me, and they're like, is Influenster worth signing up for? I will say it till I'm blue in the face that absolutely. I have found products that have become instant favorites. I have found products that I've fallen back in love with from companies that I love. And just from everything, and again, it's free product. Like the only thing you have to do is you have to like fill out the badges on the website, and you're entered to win more VoxBoxes. And it's such a no-brainer. You get the products, you test them out, you tell everybody you know, you post about them, which we do anyway for beauty influencer already. You're already doing that. It's just a no-brainer. I know people have asked me, they're like, how do you get such good VoxBoxes? Honestly, fill out your snaps while you're on the Influenster website. It's as simple as that. A lot of it is luck of the draw. If your social media presence is higher, obviously you're gonna get better boxes. But it's an instant way to get free product, to test things out, to get involved in the beauty community. Why would you not do it? I don't understand why you haven't signed up for it yet. But yeah, all the products inside I received completely complimentary from Influenster, and in review and in return, you create videos like this to kind of just, you know, talk about all the products. I will be sure again to link that blog post down below where all of my reviews of all the products will be. I know in the past I've said that VoxBoxes like these haven't been my favorite because some of the products are just like, why are you sending it to me? This is one I'm totally happy with everything that's inside, and yeah, that's basically it. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care, love you always, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.